Welcome to our guide on how to change the time zone in scheduled tweets on Twitter using your PC. Let's dive into the steps. To begin, open x.com. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the tweet option in the sidebar on your computer. This will direct you to the tweet management section. Next, click or tap on Unsent tweets at the top of the page. This will display a list of your unsent tweets. Now, navigate to the Scheduled section within the Tweet Management interface. Here, you'll see a list of your scheduled tweets. Click or tap on a tweet to expand and edit it. You have the flexibility to modify both the date and time of the tweet to suit your preference. After making the necessary adjustments, click or tap on Confirm to save the changes you've made to the scheduled tweet. Take a moment to review the tweet to ensure everything is as you want it. If you're satisfied with the content and timing, click or tap on Schedule to confirm and set the tweet to be published at the updated time. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the time zone in your scheduled tweets on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy optimizing your tweet scheduling for better engagement with your audience.